No.
Ito na daw yung lahat. Next!
Wow! Bento! Ate!
Nandito na yung in-order ko sa Shein.
Basta, ha? Mulțumim, sănătate.
This is?
Da.
Ito na daw yung lahat. Tingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung mga in-order ko. I have surprise! Come here! Hi, Didi!
Unde?
Heidi!
Unde?
Kapag curious ng mga bata. Are you excited? Ah! Heidi, let's go! Excited na naman si Edie. So, yan, buksan na natin, guys.
Si ate. Wow!
Whoa!
Wow! The brushes!
Oh!
Hello guys!
Wait, Asha. So, meron pong dalawa ditong sandal. Yung kaibigan ko sa Moray, nagpasabay po siya sa akin. So, hindi natin ito bubuksan.
Oh, dito is.
So, itong dalawa, this is for Amy. Next!
Wow! Bento! Ate!
Suklay, para ni Katyusha.
Bento! Ate!
Move here, mami.
It's not pain! It's not
It's
pain!
not pain, my love. Oh, it's nice.
Show me! Oh my gosh!
Unicor.
Unicorn.
My favorite!
Kiss, mami.
Ate Nico! Ate! Ate Nico!
Oh!
Bento easy!
Chia Coredi.
Yay!
Hapo Bente!
This is another, my love.
Da.
Hapo
You
Bente!
bought two?
Da.
The same?
No.
What is that, my love?
What?
What?
For who?
Edie.
For Eddie?
Yeah.
Wow, it's beautiful!
Yay!
Wow!
The time now, my love.
Now?
Da. You will check okay later, okay?
No, Daddy,
Tito Dan will check. Will know.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I like it so much.
Buti ko animale, Eddie.
It's not pain, mommy. This brush is good.
Sobrang saya nila sa regalo ko sa kanila, guys.
Double.
So look at here, guys. Kay Nati and Katyusha. For Ate!
What is that?
For house?
Outside, my
Outside.
love. Ooh.
Yeah,
And then you do mama.
Kasi what I did.
Oh, my love. Look at that. Yay!
Nu te duci la găinat cu ei.
I want
Balon.
For birthday.
Tata.
Didi. Come here. Didi.
Eddie, hai la Didi.
So dalawa, guys, same. It's big. I think it's big.
Ha?
So hindi kasya ni Katyusha, guys. Tingnan ko.
Daddy, uite. Mine.
Para naman talaga to
For you
kay
is okay?
Katyusha. Yes, it's mine. Ang nanay na lang.
Mine.
Nakarilo ang nanay. Para to lahat sa mga bata. Kiss to daddy. So that's all video for today. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel and Facebook page, The Petri Family.